Check out this beautiful 1985 Chevrolet Silverado. Half-ton regular cab short box. Dressed in black with the two-tone silver bottom. Beautiful bright work. It is the original color of the truck. It has had one repaint along the way. This truck was just purchased from the second owner. Second owner of this truck had it for over 31 years. Always been garaged, and it shows. 350 Chevy small block underneath the hood. Also very nicely equipped truck. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, power locks, power windows, AM, FM, cassette stereo. So 1985, this truck was loaded. You can see how nice a shape the paint is still in. Has a very nice luster to it. See how straight this truck is up and down the sides. Like I said, this truck came to us from North Carolina. We just don't see them in our area like this very often. Being in farm country, they were used and lots of times rusted out, what have you. Anyway, I'm going to show you the bed of this thing too. There is a rubber mat back here that's protecting the bed. I'm guessing that's been in here for quite some time, because when you take a look underneath here, I mean, look at that. It's not dinged. We're used to seeing them all beat up from hauling transmissions and axles, farm parts and tractor parts, and you know, whatever they needed to haul. This truck, this bed is even in nice shape. If you look at the still pictures, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see that there was a fiberglass kind of combination topper toolbox. A Slimline was the brand, but you'll see what I mean in the pictures. That can go along with the truck if it's negotiated in the price. If you don't want it, we can sell the truck as the way you see it here. And I do have pictures both ways, with that topper on there and without. And like I said, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to slip around. I want you to take a look down this side too. You can see the luster in the paint, especially in the pictures. If you see something that looks like it might be a scratch or a ding, lots of times it's a reflection, something coming off the roof, the wall, a sign, a car next to it. They get down here, you can see the hubcaps, the reflection of the car next to it, so you can tell what kind of luster this truck has. And look at the interior. Cloth bench seat, beautiful shape. You can tell it's been garaged indoors all the time too, because take a look at this dash. It's not cracked, just like it would have came from General Motors. There's your power windows, power locks. Look at the door cards, not all beat up. You can see the pictures online underneath the floor mats. Also very nice shape. They're not hiding any rips or tears. Sliding rear glass. Headliners all in good shape. Go ahead and listen how this starts up too. I'll fire it up here a second. That's the fasten seatbelt light. It'll go off in a second. See fuel gauge. All the gauges seem to work except for the clock, which isn't surprising in these. There's your AM FM cassette, AC Delco stock radio. Of course, your transfer case shifter on the floor for four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. Look at how that door closes. Absolutely beautiful truck. If you're in the market for regular cab short box, nice Chevy Silverado, this will be a nice truck for you. You can see hot blowing smoke. Just runs nice and smooth, idles. Original dealer's placard is still on there. So give us a call if you'd like to inquire about this truck, like to know any more. Feel free to call. Maybe you want to arrange shipping, figure out how to get it where you're at. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. And again, check out those still pictures, engine bay. You can see that topper / tool, chest in the back of it, underside pictures, interior. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com.